Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to edit an image with the help of Snapseed app. First open the interface and select the image. Here I will edit this image. You can see here the sky is not blue. So we have to first make the sky blue, which makes the image more appropriate. For that we have to first go in tools, then double exposure. Here I will take this image for import. Now you have to adjust the image cautiously. Here I cover the whole image, later I will adjust with view edits. Here you can increase or decrease intensity of imported image. Here also available some kind of mode like default, lighten, darken, add, etc. I use darken as per the image requirement. Now we will go to view edits on the top and touch the area for the sky we need edit. You can see here the sky is not soft, so we go to tools and then in details. Here we use the tool for increased softness in mainly. Now back to style. Here we can use many filters like portrait, smooth, peep, accentuate, faded glow, morning. My favorite is accentuate. As the filter saturate the image highly, so our now sky become oversaturated. We use the sensitive tool for adjust the sky. We mainly use the tool for a particular color. By using the brush tool, we can increase the darkness of the shadow wall, where the sunlight not reach properly. Now this is the final stage. You can give a photo frame, which can increase your photo's beauty. Now export the image, it will save in your gallery. If you like my work, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.